I have some jewelry and then another pair of shoes because I am a shoe hoarder.
My name is Levi. I'm a photographer here. I shoot editorial.
That's all you got?
I've been here for like 2.5 years. Yeah, it's a cool company. I've made a lot of friends here, including this one.
All right, I'm Morgan. I have been here for 5 years, which is very crazy. I started in the studio actually, and I am now on the buying team, which is awesome.
Yeah, Morgan was actually a styling lead when I came here. And
I interviewed you.
I interviewed with her. I did my like working interview with her, and it's so funny. I usually go for shoes, which is what I have today. I am kind of really into the brands, like the bigger brands that we have on the site.
I'm kind of with Levi. Shoes are my big thing. I'm kind of a shoe hoarder. I've started buying a lot of jewelry too. We've had some really great deals on jewelry, and I'm big on like rings and earrings, so
I did find some, I found some earrings not long ago that were cicadas, which are really cool.
Yeah, see, I feel like when you dig into this,
they're big and like dangly, and like I love cicadas. You first?
Me first? Okay.
Coupon.
Ooh, what'd you get?
Home Chef.
Oh,
they always like have little inserts, which I like to kind of check out.
These, I don't remember the exact retail, but I want to say the steal of the day on these was like $5.99 or $6.99. Like,
nice.
Can't beat it. Yeah, they're perfect for like being on the water, right? And they're like
soft
squishy.
foam.
Yeah. Oh, I
You said like $5.99.
Yeah, they were such a good price. I was like, okay, yes, please. This is just showing you all my shopping habits. Some New Balance. I'm super excited about these. They were a style that I haven't seen before. Ooh. They don't have a tongue. It's like all connected.
Whoa, okay, New Balance.
Yeah, and I'm a big runner, and now that it's getting, you know, to be warm out and it's not winter in Ohio anymore.
Yeah.
I figured these would be good. Aren't they cool though?
They're cute.
They're like mesh.
I like the color.
Yeah, and these, again, really great price.
Yeah, it's like kind of like a...
Aren't they cool?
I like the soles, like grippy.
My other little ditty here. These are, I'm super into this rainbow trend that you've all been seeing in jewelry, and I found...
Rainbow trend, sounds fun.
2 pieces. I found a little ring. Look how pretty.
Cute.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Oh, and those are earrings that match my ring.
Cute.
Same deal, same kind of rainbow. It like starts from one color.
That's really cute.
Isn't that so cute?
How does that hook? Oh.
And the color's on the inside too.
Cute.
So like when I'm wearing it, you see...
Like the sun will catch through.
I'm really excited about these too. So I am also a huge fan of animal print. You guys can't see, but I'm wearing snakeskin pants right now. How great are these?
Wow, look at that pointed toe.
Right, I am all about a good bootie. This brand is QUPID. I love their booties. I found that they run pretty true to size, and they're always really affordable. And I always find good booties on our site.
I wonder if they come in size 11.
You wanna try one? You wanna borrow one? So now that we have seen my nice little pile of footwear here, I wanna see what Levi has in there.
I just have the one purchase today, but I'm excited. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Crispy whites.
Freshy.
A yellow heel.
I like that a lot.
And it's got this soft foam optimal comfort, so it's like the insole is really soft.
Cute.
Like feel inside. They're so light and
these are.
I mean,
we can totally go running together with.
Oh my gosh, I love these, and they're so like stretchy and lightweight
I really
and
like
breathable.
those. And I feel like those can be for trendy wear or for working out.
Oh yeah, I love the branding.
I love this.
On the
I
back.
think that is so cool.
Cute.
This little squishy foot.
Yeah, I might wear these to work because seriously,
very cute.
I'm excited to wear them.
I feel like we have a really nice haul here.
But the boots.
I know, these boots. I mean, come on. It's just something different. I haven't seen this print around a lot.
It's cute.
And
it's
I
like
found
soft.
it at Zulily. Thank you all for unboxing with us today. Please be sure to comment and like.
And subscribe.